welcome to my channel. I'm at the changing locker of the engine room, and yes, so we are going to show you the whole tour of the engine room today. And very important that before we enter the engine room, you have to wear your proper personal protective equipment, which is your helmet, your ear defenders, safety shoes, boiler suit. Very important, guys. So let me give you a whole tour of the engine room of our ship. This is the entrance to the engine room. This is a class A type fire door. You can see the restricted area. You have to wear ear protection when you go inside. Wear a helmet, and it has a foam system. So if there is any alarm of foam system which is installed in this ship, you have to evacuate the engine room. Entrance to the engine room. This is our entrance. You can see, you can hear, it's very loud right now. So, this is our engine control room. This is our engine control room.
Yes, sir.
Hello, this is our engine cadet.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What are you doing? Some month-end paperwork? Very good. Fourth.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good, very good.
How are the parameters?
All good. Now
All good.
maintaining its jacket temperature.
Okay, jacket temperature is maintaining. Very good. So this is our engine control room. We check all the parameters here. This is the main switchboard. All the parameters can be seen. So fourth, we finally birded up.
Yes, just now
We
around
reached
10:20.
10:20. So all your arrival checks have been completed.
Yeah, arrival checklist already done.
Checklist done. Very good.
This is our checklist.
Very good. So all done. Huh? That's great. So we've got the finish with engine. We've reached China, and now we can relax a little bit till something comes on board. What is this today? You made donuts. Chief cook has made some donuts for us. Huh?
Okay, now time to check for my extinguishers.
Look at our engine cadet so seriously working today for the first time. Huh?
Yes.
So guys, this was a small tour of my engine room. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe for further videos like this. Till then, take care, enjoy and stay safe. See you guys.